Consequences of non-compliance. The consequences of not complying with GMP regulations depend on the seriousness of the violation. Violations can be of two types: major violations and minor violations. Minor violations can result in added expense for a company. Say, for example, during a regulatory inspection, it is discovered that packaging labels do not carry all of the information required by law. In this case, the labels will need to be destroyed, and the company will have to reprint the labels with the correct information. Major violations of GMP regulations involve possible risks to public health, which can result in great expense and even criminal prosecution for a company. In extreme cases, products must be removed from the market through a product recall. This can involve huge sums of money in handling costs and lost sales. It can also damage a company's reputation and the public's confidence in all its products. You can prevent these incidents from occurring in your company. How? By ensuring that you play your part in following GMP regulations at all times. Let's now look at the areas where you can apply GMP regulations in a facility. Records. Another important GMP responsibility is making records as you work. Under GMP regulations, a company must have complete and accurate records for all its processes and products. Records are proof that a company is operating according to GMP regulations. If there is a problem with a specific product, records are essential in finding out what went wrong and why. Examples of records are batch manufacturing records, laboratory test records, and equipment records. It has been reported by many inspectors from agencies such as FDA that inadequate records are a major reason for a facility to fail an inspection. If records are not properly maintained, it becomes difficult for an inspector to decide whether the GMP system was actually followed or not. Records can be either written or electronic. The principle, though, is still the same. The records must be made and stored in such a way that they can be readily accessed at a later time. Next, we'll look at GMP regulations regarding equipment.